Meaning of Gregory Peck.
Gregory Peck.
Gregory Peck.
Gregory Peck.
Gregory Peck. Gregory Peck was an American actor who rose to prominence in the 1940s. He appeared in such classic films as To Kill a Mockingbird, Roman Holiday, and The Guns of Navarone. Peck was known for his commanding presence, deep voice, and rugged good looks. He won an Academy Award for Best Actor for his role in To Kill a Mockingbird and was nominated for 4 other Oscars throughout his career. Peck was widely regarded as one of the greatest actors of his time and remains an icon of American cinema.